I said, well, are you coming? This is a slide. It's a lie. You coming? Down. Secret porch. Not so secret anymore, is it? It never was. That's why I did this. I sit here on the pillows and I can read a book. Then I can either go back in the treehouse or do this. Quick escape! Down go Jaden. No, don't do it.
Why?
Don't do it. Jay, wanna race up? Come on! Sure, I guess. But I'm barefooted. You have to do it. And barefoot.
Yo, Adrian!
No, that's my thing.
Yo, Adrian! Yo, Adrian!
Yo, Adrian!
You never saw anything.
Jay, can I?
Pew, pew, pew!
It's still dirty.
Go ahead, you can go in.
Pew, pew, pew!
Oh, no. This is my porch where I can go where I want some privacy. Bye.
Who?
Come back inside and we'll show you some more stuff. Okay, so this is the main level, and then this is a chalkboard here, and then here's some chalk. It folds out into a table. Come on. And we can put our slime on there that we love making in here and play with it. Smells like cherries. What? And play with them. Wow. So sometimes we'll spend the night out here. If we want to sleep out here, we'll do this. Yeah. watch this. They get a video from underneath the video.
That looks dangerous.
I think I inhaled glitter. Okay, there we go. I like the hammocks. Our tree house is made out of windows so we can draw on them. Comes right out because it's dry erase. Ha! You can't get locked out. Let me in. We also have these lounge chairs when we want to be on the ground. Mine's named Lil Joe. Peace. My side of the treehouse is ocean themed, and this is the rock wall. Here's a codfish, here's a goldfish, here's an octopus, here's a seahorse, here's a clownfish, and there's a hungry fish. And the rock wall goes up there into the loft. In the loft there's a big cabinet and a sheet and some windows, and it's pretty fun up there. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the loft. And then at there, this rope ladder also goes up to the loft. It's also someone unhooked me, please. I'm an evil munchkin, so I unhook you. It's a rope swing. Normally you do that down at the big one, but this one works too.
We're not supposed to push on the windows.
Oh. It also folds away after people are off of it. After people are off of it. It also folds out of the way when we want it to. So that makes it easier for us to do this. Oh! Yeah, da da da. So down here it's still a work in progress. but it's gonna be a lemonade jail. Hard to explain. Long story. Anyway, over here is our picnic area. And we cleared out all the moss and sticks over here, Harmony and I did. And we used shovels and we cleared off the moss to make the dirt path. And then Dadum moved this over here, and now we have a picnic area. And we can see the treehouse very well from the picnic area. Also, there's the stairs over here. We can remove them, and then you can see even better. Thank you for watching.